Look at those spikes. Those spikes. Oh, baby. Those spikes. Careful, those spikes. Good afternoon, everyone. Hi, it's low tide again, and it's around 5:50 in the afternoon, and it's another low tide, and we are here in Plaridel. Welcome back, or welcome if you're new to our channel. And look at that sunset. It's beautiful, but where is it? Right there. It's beautiful, but my phone's camera is not capturing it really well. But that sunset right there is beautiful. We are here again because it's low tide, and let's go coastal forage. Hopefully we'll get lucky. Crossing our fingers and toes. Alright, let's go.
Welcome to the Wagit! Wagit, welcome.
Let's go forage. Night forage. It's around 6. Close to 6. And we got a bucket right here. And oops, there goes the sun. Just a few seconds ago the sun was still up. And now it's down. But let's go get some seafood. Free seafood. Let's go. Nabalik na pud siya ba? Ting init naman pud. They said you can eat it. This type of thing. See, I like it when I'm barefooted because then I can feel what's on the bottom of it. See? And I know if there's a shell or not. That one. Barefooted. Where we're heading. But we've walked quite a ways now. Late, let me. Minga man. Usually bisig nara sa daplin ba. O taganini kadag ko. Minga man. Nakatama kung isa ka litob. Ano, sudsud. And one big aninikad. That's it. Minga man. Let's see. Ito na sa papasonahan. Una na. I see a sudsud. I see sudsud. And together. Okay. Now we got lucky. Lang gid ani ato aron. Okay. Small ones. Check this one out. Nasangit. Ang cute. Gamay. Angit. Tumakan ako? Okay. Tara deh. Tara. Tutup ng isa pa. Dara. Nakuha na.
Oh.
Nasong tail. Kani.
Ito.
Tara.
Ipot.
Okay. Mapa to dali ah. What is this? It's a scallop. Nasuko ang scallop. Nagyayaw. It's a scallop. I got one scallop. There's one. In the corner of this. Okay, there's a fish here. You're right there. There's a fish. There's a fish here somewhere. Tora. Di lang na ako magkuha pa. Tora. Where do you go? Tora di. Sorry, but I had to. Tora. Look at those spikes. Yowza. Tingog. Where you at? Oh, check out this one. Hold on. Right there. There. Check out that one. Oh. Where you at? Asa na to? Pa? Naghanap kisi-kisi. There. Right there. That's a fish. Yeah. Let's get that. Sorry you guys, but I have to do this because I don't have a glove. And I need to pick it up with my own hand. If I don't pick it up, they're just gonna die anyway, so might as well get it. It's small, but it's perfect for dried fish. Tara. Right there. Okay, let's do this. Oh. Those spikes. Okay. There's another one. Oh, baby. Those spikes. Careful with those spikes. Another one. You just got to listen where it's at, and you know there's a fish. Right there, there's a fish. So what are you gonna do? Look at those spikes. It's up already. Yeah. Okay, well, I'm gonna have to do this. Sorry, I'm not really stepping on it hard. I'm just spinning it down. Yeah. Luya sa akong cellphone eh. Basang-basa na. Tara. Right there. Naluksok. So what I'm gonna do now. Tara yung mata. Uy. Okay, let's go. Nangagira mi dress ko. May punsod. Okay, balik mi dito. Padong na. Daplin. Alrighty. Thank you. Bisbis ng palibot.
Kusog mo mama.
Ha?
Kusog na, bail tayo.
Okay. And I found this one's dead already. This one had nothing in it.
Ang dami dito.
Ah? Bitaw.
Kulot.
Puwa. Apat. Asa man eh. Buhi pa niyo kan. Ah, patay na. Pagkuha ng pasayan. Buktot. Buktot. Oh, dako. Ala. Na, baba. Nawa na. Nawala. Tara. Tara pa. Nakuha yun. Nakuha yun ako buktot. Alright. See? You can see the ice. It's red. Thank you. Tapa pa. Tapa. Buktot. Pa. Tako ra ba? Another buktot. Ha? Nay. Tara, tara, tara. Tara, tara pa, kani pa. Nara, nara. Nara.
Mahugong po.
Nanahog pa. Huwag kasud. Naman lagi nahog. Nahog na itong pasayan. Nagkuha.
Nahindayo di ko.
Hindi, wala. Diyan ang pasayan. You guys, our torches, they're not that good. Dali naman siya. Hinay ang iyang siga. We need better torches or headlights. Oh. We are heading our way back. Papa's over there. That's Papa right there. Our torches are not that good. Yeah, but we got a few. We still got free food tonight. We are still thankful. Thank you, thank you. Oh yeah, buyag dako din siya. Muscle. Tahong dyan eh. Kani ba? Buhi pa ni pa. Takuman. Kani ba? Tanawa sa. Bugat. Tanawa sa.
Buhi ko na.
Buhi na. Okay. Mabilis. Kuha.
Ang kulit. Tuyok lagi.
Ha? Gotcha.
What?
Well, good evening mga kawagets. You can't see us. Our flashlight's not doing good anymore. But we are on our way back. We'll see you in our next vlog. Uh, our flashlights or torch is not doing good. Wala namatay ng usa. Patay. Sakto ra gid muli na may. Power off na. We made it. Ay, cellphone na lang gid ang dalag light na. Cellphone light. Muna lang dyan in town. Okay. Guys, I made it. Coffee. Diba? Kamot lang ka lagi. I made it. Eh.
Long.
Okay. We made it. I don't know what time it is. What time is it? What time is it?
Sarap na.
My phone doesn't function with me anymore. It's 8:53. Almost 9. Patay. Ang mga bata to sa bukid. Kasamad-samad ang mga TL, you guys. Kasamad-samad. Oh, we made it. But we still have quite a ways to make to Isabel. Bye. You guys, if only you could smell this. Oh my god. It's fish and shrimp soup. Okay, let's eat. Time to eat. Time to eat. Oh boy. Yeah, that doesn't include the fish that we already have in the fridge. Oh my. Let's eat. Let's eat. Let's eat. What a fish.
Everyone in this will believe that we were